Hello audience. So today we will discuss about lecture number 11. So in this lecture we will discuss dawn vocabulary. So the first one is frivolous. So its synonym is waggish, joking, light-hearted, inane and flippant. Next one, semblance. So semblance is appearance, approximation, guise, show. Next one, expediency. So its synonym is advantage, usefulness, utility, benefit, profitability, convenience. Next one, peril. So danger, jeopardy, riskness, a hazard, insecurity, uncertainty. Next one, forego. So give up, surrender, relinquish. Next one, weariness. So it stands for tiredness, fatigue, exhaustion, prostration, collapse, overtiredness. Next one, strife. So it stands for conflict, discord, dissension, variance, argument. Next one, salvation. So salvation means of escape. Next one, guard, provoke, spur, incite, arouse. Next one, construe. So its synonym is to interpret something, understand, take to mean. Next one, treason. So its synonym is disloyalty, betrayal, and faithlessness. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't times. Stay tuned with us for more videos and updates. Thank you.